Wag versus Rover. Which dog walking app pays more? Today I'm going to show you which one really does. Wag and Rover are two of the biggest names in the pet care world, helping people earn money by walking, sitting, or boarding other people's pets. At first glance, they seem pretty similar. But once you look closer at how they pay, how flexible they are, and what kind of work you actually get, the differences become clear. Let's start with Wag. Wag connects dog walkers and pet owners mainly through its app. You can offer services like walking, sitting, drop ins, or boarding. It's known for being beginner friendly. The sign up process is simple with a background check and a short training quiz before you can start taking jobs. Most walks are around 20 to 30 minutes and pay typically ranges from $12 to $20 per walk, depending on your location and the type of service. WAG takes about 40% of the total fee, which means your actual take home depends on tips and how often you're working. The nice thing is that you can accept walks on demand or schedule them ahead of time, making it ideal if you just want to earn extra cash around your regular schedule. Now let's talk about Rover. Rover works a little differently. Instead of being assigned walks automatically, pet owners book directly with you through your profile. You set your own rates and can offer additional services like boarding, daycare, or overnight stays. Because of that flexibility, Rover tends to have higher earning potential. On average, walkers on Rover earn about $15 to $25 per walk, but those who offer sitting or boarding can make $40 to $100 per night, depending on experience and location. Rover's commission is lower too, around 20% compared to Wag's higher cut. That smaller fee plus the ability to set your own prices means you can scale up your income once you've built a strong client base and good reviews. When it comes to workflow, WAG is more automated. It matches you to nearby walks based on availability. Rover, on the other hand, takes longer to build momentum because you'll need to attract clients and collect positive feedback. But once you do, it can lead to steady repeat bookings and loyal customers. Both platforms are safe and reliable when it comes to payments. WAG pays weekly through direct deposit, while Rover lets you withdraw earnings anytime after completing service, which is a great if you prefer faster access to your money. Both also include insurance coverage for walks and pet care, so you're protected if something goes wrong during a booking. So, which one pays more? If you're just starting out and want quick, flexible jobs with little setup, WAG is a solid choice. But if you're serious about building repeat clients and maximizing your income, Rover generally pays more and gives you more control over your rates.